Welcome to Long Division, a step-by-step approach by me, Scott Krametbauer. So let us begin with our first example. We take 3 divided into 411. So the first thing we need to do is see how many times does 3 go into 4? Well, the answer to that is once. So, next step, now we have to take 3 times 1, which equals to 3. Subtracting 3 from 4, we move on to the next step. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And then the next thing we do is we have to bring the next digit down, in this case a 1, and we get 11. So now we repeat our steps. This now, how many times does 3 go into 11? Well, the answer to that is 3 times. So the next step, of course, is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So again, we have to subtract 9 from 11. The next thing we do is we have to find out what 11 minus 9 is equal to. Well, that's 2. And then for our 8th step, we have to bring our next digit down. Once again, that's a 1, giving us 21. And then we repeat. 3 goes into 21 7 times. For step 10, we take 7 times 3, and we get 21. And we subtract it from 21. Well, fortunately in this case, 21 minus 21 is equal to 0. So we have a 0. That means that 411 divided by 3 is 137. Now let us look at a slightly different example. This amount we want to take 244 and divide it by 5. Well, we start out with how many times does 5 go into 2? Well, it doesn't. So since 5 doesn't go into 2, then we simply look at the next digit. How many times does 5 go into 24? Well, in this case, 5 goes into 24 4 times. And from here, we're just going to go along just like we did with the previous examples. So 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract 20 from 24. 24 minus 20 is 4. And then our 4th step, we need to bring down our next digit. In this case, it's another 4 to get 44. And then once we have this, we repeat. How many times does 5 go into 44? Well, that's 8. And now we have 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Subtract 40 from the 44. Well, 44 minus 40 is equal to 4. Wait a second. The problem is, we're out of digits. So if we don't have any digits to bring down, and we have a number at the bottom that's not 0, then that is what is known as a remainder. So one of the more common ways to post it is 48 remainder of 4 is our answer. Now, as you get more advanced in math, there will be different ways to display that remainder, but for the moment, this is how we're going to do it. Well, hope you enjoyed this lesson, and have a great day.